Which kind friend be real friend? Na person wey fit make you fit do the correct thing. Person wey always stay by your side, even when things hard. Proverbs 18:24 talk say, they fit even love you pass your brother. Now that one be real friend. E no easy to get that kind friend. And if you want make everybody like you, you fit no get better friend. So how you fit know better friend? If you want know wetin dey inside any book, you go first read am. So look for friend wey you fit trust. Friend wey dey forgive. Person wey no dey always remind you about your mistake. When you wan make friend, remember say one good friend better pass plenty fake friends. If you dey find real friends, no make friends with only your age mate. You fit see them for where you no expect them. So free yourself and check other place. No just dey find friends wey be like you. Better friends fit sabi do things wey you no sabi do. They fit senior you and you fit senior them. They fit come from different tribe or get different culture. So no make friend with only your age mate. But remember say, real friends need to get better character. You don't ever get friend wey play you wayo, gossip about you, or spoil your name. No be that kind friend you need. Make you dey careful about bad friends. Now only wetin they fit get from you they think about. They go make you feel bad because of the way they talk, the way you be, and even because of your belief. Real friends no be like that. Then they let you be yourself. So you need to choose friend wey get sense. No be just friends wey sabi many things, but the ones wey dey fear God. They be the type wey no dey fear to reject bad things. Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17 talk say, true friends they learn from each other. Just as they use iron sharpen iron, they go even make you be better person. So how you fit get that kind friend? You no go always wait make people come meet you to be your friend. Make you first try. Meet the person and start to talk with them. But wait, you need to talk with your friends, but not be only about yourself. Ask them questions and listen. Really listen. You see, to listen to your friends now one of the best things wey you fit ever give them. Now we don't get better friends. Now time to do something. Yes, we need to do some work. You need to work to make the friendship grow. Be the kind friend where they hold your friend tight. We know they keep waiting person do am for mind. We're always ready to support, even when things hard. When you do these things, your friendship go really strong. Philippians 2 verse 4 talk say, make we know they only care about ourselves, but make we see they care about other people. To be person friend means say you go need to care for the person. You know one thing, you go meet plenty people for your life, but now your hand is there to choose who could be your friend. So use your sense. Choose real friend.